Alright guys, so I had this FS5 Mark II for about maybe a month, a little over a month actually. And this is what's going on now. Turn it on. I get the SD cards flash, but that's about it. It doesn't even turn on. Nothing. The SD cards just flash and turn off. Let's try it again. Ugh. Okay, turn it off, turn it on, flash. I hear the lens too moving. You know that lens, or I don't know if it's a lens or the something in the front is, I hear clicking, but yet that's it, nothing. Oh man, this sucks, and I gotta shoot tomorrow too. I don't know if you can hear that click, but there's a click. Here, let me try and get it close and just listen. There. So, man, I don't know what to do. Let me try and troubleshoot this some more. Okay guys, I'm trying out another battery here, and maybe it was the battery, but I'm getting more lights, but it's just weird flashing lights. That's weird. I had more lights flashing earlier. I don't know what to do. And in Hawaii, we don't have a service center anymore, a Sony service center, so I have to mail this out. That sucks. That's it. That's all it does. No display. Oh, on? Oh, there you go. Never mind. First, crap. Okay guys, so ended up being this thing right here. There's an on off, and it was on off. That was like getting no display, but there's no other lights that, you know, light up on this camera. Not even the card slot lights up when it's on. See, it's on, but like my EXs, I would, you know, the card slot it's going to record to is usually on red, green, and then when you hit record it turns red. But this one, nothing, no lights are actually visible when this thing is on. So if this thing is off, it might look like it's not even on, but yet just double check this switch, man. That scared the crap out of me, because I gotta shoot tomorrow and this thing is not working. Then I would have to bring out my EXs again, and oh boy, nightmare, because the bags are all set up for the FS7 Mark II and the FS5 Mark II, and the EXs of course are different sizes, and I'm gonna have to redo the whole gear bag for the EXs, and that would have been a nightmare to do right now, because I'm about ready to go to sleep. I didn't mean to make a clickbait title for this, but I was really worried it wasn't working. I wanted to let you guys know. I don't know what was wrong, but then when I did find out it was just something stupid like this little switch that you can turn it on and off, the viewfinder or the LCD screen, I was like, felt stupid, but yet I gotta share with you guys, because if you guys come into this problem, dude, just a simple switch like this could really make you go crazy, because other than that, there's nothing else on this camera that tells you it's on, and I really got worried. So but definitely just check this out before sending it back to Sony, and you guys have a great day. Mahalo for watching.